If you're an EYLF teacher, these topic planners on the Twinkl website have the potential to save you so much time. Let's take a look at one so I can show you what it's all about and how to use it. As you can see, there's a large range of different planners inspired by different events and themes all year round. We're going to look at this one on Kindness Day as an example. To get started, just hit the download button and you'll be directed to a page that looks like this. Every topic planner is set around the 5 outcomes of the EYLF. Each of the outcomes have 2 resources that you can click on and it will take you directly to where you can download it on the Twinkl website. There are also 2 resources each for cognitive, language, and physical, social, and emotional learning. This means 16 resource links in total, plus a display resource in the middle. This makes topic planners a neat little digital pack of everything that you need to implement fun and engaging learning activities. So you can find them easily. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to the EYLF topic planners. Once you've downloaded the resource, don't forget to rate it and leave a review so other people can know what you've thought. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.